Hi folks, Berk here. Welcome to the final video in our estate planning series. Before we dive in, let me share a quick story that changed how I approach estate planning with my clients. Mark, a close friend and client, desperately reached out to me. His wife was in a coma, and he needed to manage her accounts and financial affairs. Despite being married, they had never combined finances, and without a financial power of attorney, banks, brokerages, and custodians refused to speak with Mark about his wife's accounts. This eye-opening experience prompted me to ensure my clients had proper estate plans. I surveyed them and discovered that 7 out of 10 had no estate plan documents. Half of those that did needed updates. It was clear that action was required. You've learned what estate planning is, why your signature is crucial, and how a revocable living trust helps avoid probate. You've also identified the 5 key decisions you must make, from naming your successor trustee to selecting guardians for your children. We're ready to put it all together. Picture a simple button or link labeled "Start the questionnaire." That's your next step. By filling out this online form with our help, you'll lock in the essential elements of your estate plan, ensuring your loved ones are protected and your wishes are respected. Once you've completed the questionnaire and payment, check the description below for a link to our prices. Your plan is submitted to our technology partners for review and preparation. This kicks off the estimated 5 business day turnaround time for your estate plan. During this process, our partners conduct a thorough review using a 60-point checklist to ensure no red flags and then begin drafting your documents. You'll receive an email notification once your estate plan is ready to be signed. This email will include: number 1, the prepared documents for signature; number 2, step-by-step signing instructions; and number 3, a summary explanation of each document. Shortly after, you'll get a detailed email with written and video instructions on funding your trust. This covers transferring assets like real estate, bank accounts, and investments into your trust. For our investment management clients, we even work directly with brokers, banks, and insurance companies to ensure a smooth transfer process. By the end of this journey, you'll have a fully signed, legally effective trust holding all your most important assets. Congratulations! You're just steps away from securing your family's future and protecting what matters most. But don't stop here. Did you know that creating an estate plan online can be done in just 3 simple steps, without the need for attorneys or hefty fees? Click on this video to learn how to make estate planning stress-free, affordable, and accessible for everyone. See you there.